Okay, dear students, now we are here to start our new session of geography. As you know, we have completed lesson number 1, geographical representation of geographical features, and chapter number 2, population, and chapter number 3, migration. And from last session onwards, we just beginned fourth chapter, urbanization. Okay, so let us continue urbanization from causes of urbanization. That is what today we are going to discuss. Causes of urbanization. The proportion of people living in urban areas increases due to various reasons. Increasing people in urban area, that can be based on several reasons. Let us discuss one by one. First one is natural increase, automatic increase, natural increase. That is not made by human effort. There is a natural increase in population when birth exceeds death. What is the problem? When birth rate increase more than death rate. Then what will happen? The increase in population take place. Increase in population when birth exceed death. That is the reason. First reason. Main reason. Why these such kinds of action take place? Gradually, urban areas have better medical facility. That is why urban areas have better medical facilities. That is why death rate decrease and birth rate increase. Hence, there are fewer deaths. Also, many of the people living in urban areas are of working age and capable of having children. So the birth rate usually exceeds the death rate. Then next, the people, those who are living in an urban area, most of the people, they are youngsters. I mean, they can work. They are working section people. So that is why the birth rate increases. Now, second reason, rural urban migration take place. Rural area to urban area, rural urban migration. The main reason for increase in urban population is the migration of people from rural to urban areas. We know in our Jahangirabad itself, what is it? Because of our school, when before 8 to 10 or 10 to 12 years before, this much houses were not here. And after that, what had happened? People, our number of students increased. From then, the village people, I mean, they shifted to Jahangirabad for better education. Then automatically another process had taken place, the number of houses increased. Same thing we can say here too. Increase in urban population is a migration of people from rural to urban area, village to cities. People migrate from rural to urban areas due to various reasons. Why people migrating from rural area to urban area, there can be based on several reasons. Some of these reasons we can find now, go through now. One is employment opportunity. Mm. Rural area like a village, mainly people are agriculture. Mm. And some learned people or educated children, what they will do it, they will go to town areas for in search of a job, better job, we can say so. One of the main reasons for rural urban migration is the expectation of higher earning in urban area. Why do these people coming to cities or towns? Because they have high expectation of salary. That is why. So, more jobs and business opportunities are available in this area because of development of industries, trade and commerce. Mainly the business, mainly the industries are located in such kinds of places where city areas. So, people are coming to or migrating to city for a better education. Mm. During the Industrial Revolution, which began in Europe in the 18th century, there was large scale urbanization due to rural urban migration. When just beginning of industrial revolution, that time the same process had taken place in Europe. What process? The people from rural area, they migrated to urban area. This happened in all the European countries that became economically developed due to this time and so on. In America, at present, the fastest rate of rural urban migration is seen in countries that are economically less developed but are gradually improving their economy. What type of countries we can find such kinds of migration? These developing type of countries. Mm. And their economic condition is improving but not yet. And such kinds of countries, more opportunities are concentrated in where in town areas, not in village areas. There we can find what rural urban migration. These countries are getting urbanized rapidly. There are many such countries in Africa and Asia. Now, better amenities, better facilities. Urban areas generally have a better supply of goods. In village area, when we live, we can find one shop, two shop or three shops, such kinds of things. As when we reach in a Jahangirabad, what will be the many shops? We have a choices are here, but in a village there is no choice. Okay, so people likes to live here, and better education facilities. Mm. That already we have discussed. When we are settled, we are going to settle either any places, then we will see what all facilities are available there. One of the facility which we are giving more concern, that is education. Better sanitation and housing, better power supply, better medical facilities, better transportation facility, and better recreation. And these are the things, or these are the facilities we are expecting or to whenever we are migrating. And often the residents of urban areas have more social and religious freedom than people have in rural areas. That is, we will get a more what type of freedom? Religious freedom. In a social and religious freedom, more we will get in urban areas. Why? Because from different part of that particular country or outside the country, people may be living there, and so that people already learned how to adjust with these people. They are not going to interfere on other person's life. That is why they are getting more freedom. But what about village area? Village area, number of people are less, and mostly the people those who are living in village, that may be same religious people or same cultured people and so on, so they will not allow other people to interfere in their, or they are not like to accept other persons in their community, and that is the main thing. So hence the quality of life is expected to be better in urban areas. Mm. So because of this freedom, people are expecting more quality life in urban areas. That is why people are going to urban areas to settle their life. So dear students, now we will meet in next session with the rural urban transformation. So have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.